So now that we've got our email set up, obviously we then want to include that on our site so our customers can contact us. And what I recommend at this point is you create a kind of combined contact us about us page. So what do I mean by that? Well, the key here is to connect with your customer. Don't try to make yourself look bigger than you are. You know, I've seen people putting up pictures of offices and things like that. That's not what you want, right? You might want to include a picture of yourself, but if you're not comfortable with that, maybe include some sort of image that's related to your niche. But certainly tell your story. So for example, with me, I've been interested in fitness my whole life. So now that you've got your email set up, it makes total sense for you to create a contact us page. But I would say it's a little bit more involved than simply putting on an email. And in fact, I would recommend that you don't just do that. What I do recommend you do is that you create a combined kind of contact us about us page. And the reason why I say that is because it's so important to tell your story. Okay, your customer will connect with you. They will feel like they're on the same level as you because you have a common interest. That's what's going to bind you. That's what's going to keep them on your site. It really is super important. Now I see quite a lot of people with e-commerce sites trying to make themselves look bigger than they are, perhaps putting up pictures of offices and things like this. That is not the approach you want, okay? Put a picture of yourself, or at least include an image that's related to your niche. And then write 200 to 300 words about your story. So for example, with me, I've been interested in fitness my whole life. So writing a brief summary about how I got here, you know, my interest in triathlons or whatever it might be, that led to my interest in fitness trackers is super powerful. It really is a fantastic way, as I say, of making that connection. So please don't underestimate the power of this page. So all I'm going to do here at the moment is just create a contact us page. Oops. And I'll add it to the menu as usual, so that we at least have that ability to be contacted. But please bear in mind what I said. Please spend some time creating that text, including an image, and making that real connection with your customer. It really will pay dividends in the long run.